Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we will be making a healthy fruit salad using some fresh fruits. I'll be using apples, oranges, mangoes, grapes, strawberries, pears, peaches, kiwis and pineapple. Make sure you wash all the ingredients before using them. As you see, I cut everything in advance. I made some fresh orange juice. I'll be using also some grape juice, some Tropicana grape juice, and to give it a different taste I'll be adding some rose water. I'll be using a bowl to mix everything together. So basically I put the fruits in the bowl. I'll add the orange juice. In the other half I'll add the grape juice. At the end I'll be adding some rose water. Basically you mix everything, you chill for a few hours, then enjoy. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.